शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानपूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सर्ववेदान्तसिद्धान्त गोचरं तमगोचरं गोविन्दं परमानन्दं सद्गुरुं प्रणतोऽस्म्यहम्।
428.
ब्रह्मात्मनो शोधितयोः एकभावावगाहिनी निर्विकल्पा च चिन्मात्रा वृत्तिप्रज्ञेति कथ्यते। सुस्थिता सा भवेद्यस्य जीवन्मुक्तः स उच्यते।
Jivan Mukta is being described. Jivan Mukta means Lakshana of Jivan Mukta is being described. Who is Jivan Mukta? The one who is Sthita Prajna. So who is Sthita Prajna? The one whose Prajna is Sthita, Sthira, steady. One who has got Nishtha in Prajna. What is Prajna? Definition is now the what is the Brahma or Prajna? Shodhitayoho Brahmatmanoho Eka Bhavaha Gahini Nirvikalpa Chinmatra Vritti. First say Prajna is Vritti. What Vritti? Antakarana Vritti. It has to fulfill all these conditions. What is the nature of that vritti is one by one specified. It is avagahini. Avagahini means vishayini. It has got this as its vishaya. Vritti has Vishaya corresponding to what form it takes. You are now listening to me. Your antakarana vritti becomes shabdakara. You see at the microphone, your vritti is microphone akara. So that's see, when you see the microphone, your vritti is microphone avagahini. This is a very, very tricky word it is. Even if you see in the dictionary, you will not get it proper sense also. You are listening to me, your vritti is shabdavagahini, means its objective Vishaya is what? Vishayini. Shabda is its Vishaya. When you see the microphone is the Vishaya. Now, say here, ekabhavavagahini. Object of this vritti, Vishaya of this vritti is ekabhava. Ekabhava, oneness. Oneness of what? Brahmshodhitayoho Brahmatmana. Of Brahma and Atma. Brahma for Paramatma, Atma for Pratyagatma, Jivatma, or between Jivatma and Paramatma, or technically called as Tat and Swampada. Which Tat and Swampada? Which Paramatma and the Pratyagatma? Shodhita. Again, this is a technical term. But see, many people who teach Vedanta, they don't know what is Shodhita. And what they say ascertain. Ascertain what? That is ascertain what? Shodhita. Literally, Shodhita means, purified, cleansed. Now, Pratyagatma and Paramatma to be cleansed of what? Upadhi. Adhyastha, Upadhi. So, Shodhitayoho means Upadhi vinirmuktayoho. Or, many times I have told earlier, Nirupadhikayoho. Shodhita Swampada means Nirupadhika Swampada. Shodhita Tatpada means Nirupadhika Tatpada. What is the Upadhi of Swampada? Avidya. Avidya, Sthula, Sukshma, Sharira. What is the Upadhi of Tatpada? Maya. Free from Swampada, free from Upadhi is what? Shuddha Chaitanya. Tatpada, free from Upadhi is Shuddha Chaitanya. Eka bhavavagahini vritti. Vritti, which is Vishayini, which has got the Vishaya, object of what? That identity between Jiva and Brahma. What with Jiva and Brahma? Nirupadhika Jiva, Nirupadhika Brahma. That's the thing. Further discussion is given. It is Nirvikalpa. Why Nirvikalpa? Nirvishaya. Vikalpa is brought by what? Vishaya. So Nirupadhika means Nirvishaya. So Nirvikalpa. So Nirvikalpa. Again, what do you mean by Nirvikalpa? Chit Matra. Nothing but Chit and Chit alone. What is that Matra? Kevala. What do you mean by Kevala? Adhyastha, anything is not, including Ajnana, which we are familiar in terms of the name Akhandakara Vritti, Atmakara Vritti, Brahmakara Vritti. Now, just think of it. This Vritti, is it devoid of experience? But what experience? Experiencer is not there. Experiencer is not there. Experienced also is not there. It is just but Anubhava Swarup. Anubhava Swarup. That is what is called as Sakshatkara. That is what is called as Aparoksha Jnana. That is Aparokshanubhuti. That is Aparoksha Jnana. You need not say this. See, to say that it is not Anubhava, you know what it amounts to say? Now such a vritti, which is kevala chinmatra, no adhyastha is there. So what is it? Means vritti has become replica of Atma. Atma is Anubhava Sarupa. And suddenly what happens? Vritti corresponding. How vritti takes, we know, because the very structure of antakarna is such that it conforms to this. Atmakara vritti possible, we have discussed many times also. So now it is conforming to the Atma Sarupa. If the Atma Sarupa is Anubhava Sarupa, suddenly it will stop. Then do not happen. What it amounts to say? You are saying Anubhava Sarupa, Swaprakasha, Swayam Jyoti, Atma, see this to be Anubhava Sarupa. Do you know what it means? It seems to be Chaitanya. Do you know what will happen? You came to Vedanta. Vedanta is a pramana. Vritti took this. Jagadandhyam prasajyet. Whatever capital was there, that also lost. Jagadandhyam. Never just say. A conditioned mind can go to any extent of absurdity. Really, I am wondering how it is. So, lay person is okay, that is understandable. But the stalwart, this is it. How is it possible? So the first thing, what is Sthita Prajna? The thing is that Bhashyakara has not defined Prajna. Bhashyakara in Bhagavad Gita has not defined Prajna. I told you this definition is from the Adhyatma Upanishad. Bhashyakara is Prajna. Sthita Prajna, Sthira Prajna he has given. Sthira Prajna is there. Elsewhere Akhandakara vritti is there. But what exactly is there, etc., is the should be ascertained. Be clear about each and every word. Brahmatmanoho, Paramatma Pratyagatmanoho, Paramatma Jivatmanoho, Tattvam Padayoho, Shodhitayoho, Upadhi Vinirmuktayoho, Nirupadhikayoho, Ekabhava Tadatmya, Avagahini, Vishayini, itself is Nirvikalpa. Why Nirvikalpa? Nirvishaya. Veda Rahita. Because Vishaya, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Viputi, experiences, these are all Vedas. They are not the Chinmatra. In short, that Vritti is Chinmatra. This is what is said here. Akhandakara, the Chaitanyakara, Atmakara, Brahmakara, Vritti. That is Prajna. And now, that Prajna is Sthira. Sthita means Sthira. This is what we call as Jnana Nishtha. Susthita sa susthita bhavi yasya, the one in whose case sa means that Prajna, susthita, well abiding, deep rooted, bhave becomes, so I say, saha, bhave, saha, that person, Jivan Mukta Uchyate. He is called as Jivan Mukta. Understand who is Jivan Mukta. Otherwise this word also, Jivan Api Mukta. This is Vedanta, exposed to Vedanta, some Jivan Mukta. Now he is explaining in detail who is Jivan Mukta. Then you can, don't tell but understand where you stand as such. Understand where you stand. So, and what is generally, how loosely the word Jivan Mukta is taken, what is expected of a Jivan Mukta, who is qualified to be Jivan Mukta, be very clear about it. Continue. Now see, Prajna defined, Sthita Prajna defined, that Sthita Prajna is Jivan Mukta. Further now, What is this nature? Because we have what was told in 427, Sita Prajna Sada Anandam Ashrute, always experiences Swarupa Ananda. Brahmani eva vilinatma, Atma, whose antakarana is absorbed in what? Brahma only. Again, Nirvikara, in fact this Nirvikara will be again further elaborated. Vinishkriya, free from all kriya. So now, further, Mukta is being described.
Yasya sita bhavet prajna Yasyanando nirantara Prapancho vistruta praya Sajivan mukta ishyate Advaya Yasya prajna Sita bhavet Yasya Ananda Nirantara Prapanchaha Viskrutapraya Saha Jivan Muktaha Ishyate.
The one whose prajna is Sita, Yasya prajna, now you know what is prajna. Sita means Stira Bhavi, well rooted, because of practice it has become so well rooted. Again, Yasya, the one whose Anandaha Nirantara, which Ananda it is? Swarupa Ananda is Nirantara, continuous, not Kadachitkaha, not at times. So, Yasya Anandaha Nirantara. Prapanchaha Vismruta Prayam. Prapancha is almost forgotten, not totally Vismruta, because Prarabdha is almost forgotten. What is that almost? Because body continues to be there. Little food, clothing, shelter may be required. Other than, there is not there. Jivan Mukta doesn't need camel TV. He doesn't need channel TV. So why? He is not interested in the prapancha. But why not totally Vismruta? Body is there, what can be done about that? Body, it has to be taken into account. So that is Vismruta Praya Tulyaha, almost it is forgotten. This, except the bare minimum necessities, maintenance of the body, he is not much about concern, or he is not aware of the body. Saha Jivan Muktaha Ishyate. He is considered, or Ishyate means Angikriyate. He is accepted as Jivan Mukta. Acha, that means this person must be all the time asleep. He may be superseding Kumbhakarna also as well. So he is not at all aware of the Jagata. Very important stanza which draws the distinction between sleep and the Anubhava of a Jivan Mukta. People jump. If in Jnana it has to be Nirvikalpa, then sleep also will be Jnana. Because sleep also is Nirvikalpa. And you are talking of that to gain knowledge, the mind must be Nirvikalpa. Because he is afraid of Nirvikalpa. Because Nirvikalpa means what? One day international kaisa dekhega. 2020 kaisa dekhega. So Discovery Channel kaisa dekhega. So therefore all this is necessary. So therefore, see, when such things they deviate from Shastra, better investigate in their conduct. You will get that. Satyasai Baba said, he said where somewhere he said, it is they try to justify their conduct by giving interpretation that they want, so that they can safeguard their conduct. Very dangerous. Better what you don't know, I don't know, but forget and get it. Now, this Chitta Prajna state and Sushupti state, what is the distinction? It is being drawn.
Lina Dhirapi Jagarti Yo Jagrut Dharma Varjitaha Bodho Nirvatano Yasya Sajivan Mukta Ishyate Anvaya Yaha Leenadhihi api Jagarti Jagrut Dharma Varjita Yasya Nirvatanaha Bodhaha Saha Jivan Muktaha Ishyate.
See, this is the distinction. Both in sleep and in the state of Sthita Prajnatva, mind is leena. Mind does get absorbed. Mind is not in a state of its usual function. But where is it absorbed differs. In Sushupti, Sushuptau, Manasaha, Ajnane, Layaha. It's a very important thing. In Sushupti, Manasaha, Ajnane, Layaha. Mind gets absorbed in avidya, ajnana. Whereas, in the case of Chitta Prajna, in that Chitta Prajna state, Manaha, Brahmani Chinmatre, Manasaha, Brahmani Chinmatre, Laya. In Prajna, what happens? Chitta Prajna, what happens? Manasaha, Brahmani Chinmatre, Laya. In both the cases, Laya is there. Laya means what? Vinasha. Vinasha means what? Non-functioning. Mind no more functions as it generally functions. But where it has got absorbed differs. In sleep, it merges back in avidya. Where here, Brahmani, what Brahmani? Chinmatre. So therefore, there is total distinction in sleep and Chitta Prajnatva state. How? Say, that's why I say, Yaha Leenadhihi api. Even though the mind is absorbed, Jagarti. Jagarti means he is awake. What do you mean by Jagarti? He is free from Nidra. Which Nidra? Called avidya. He is free from sleep. Which sleep? Biggest sleep. What is biggest sleep? What does sleep do? In sleep, you don't comprehend the word. There is total non-apprehension of the word. Is it not? So why? Ajnana. So, but there, non-apprehension of the word is there, avidya is there. Now here, non-apprehension is there, but avidya is not there. He is awake to what? Swarup. There he is non-comprehending, including oneself. I didn't know anything, including I didn't know myself. Nidra. Here it is not that way. Doesn't know anything, but Swarupa cognition is there. So that's why I say Therefore, Vinadhihi api Jagrati. But what type of Jagrati? Jagrat Dharma Vivarjita. What are the features of waking state? Comprehension of the waking world. That is not. Jagrat Dharma Vivarjita. And what is the Jagrat Dharma generally? Abhimana, identification with Stula Sharira, Sukh Sharira, perception of the world, free from all this. That is what? Awake to what? Swarupa, free from identity with the body, free from identity with the subtle body, free from comprehension of the Jagrat Dharma. And suppose by prarabdha he has to interact with the world in terms of eating, etc. This is nirvasanaha bodhaha. Bodhaha padarthanam bodhaha. Any comprehension of the object due to prarabdha, it is what? Nirvasanaha. Free from vasana, free from attachment, free from sakti, asakti rahita, free from asakti, free from attachment. Saha jivan muktaha. All these are meant for oneself, but you can assess others also. But don't spell out. You can be, to some extent, so one can understand it. In some may be ambiguous case, not available for ascertainment, but majority can be assessed by such things. Now, further 12 stanzas, Jivan Mukta Lakshana, to describe Nirvikarasva. Take stanza 427, Vidinatma Nirvikaraha Vinishkriyaha. Nirvikaraha. So, how he doesn't react to the world, interact in his interaction with the world, if at all, prarabdha, because of prarabdha he has to interact with the world. So that is nirvikarasva, mainly nirvikarasva. Of other things also are told, but mainly how is nirvikari is the Jivan Mukta is so, is explained in the forthcoming 12 verses. Continue.
Shanta samsara kalana kalavana vinishkalaha yatachitto vinishchittaha sajivan mukta ishyate. Anvaya as it is, Shanta samsara kalanaha kalavan api nishkalaha yaha sachittaha api nishchittaha saha jivan muktaha ishyate.
One whose samsara kalana is shanta. Kalana is comprehension, understanding, experience, perception, consideration. So of jagat, of samsara is shanta. Means his mind is what? No mind, nishchit mind. Though it is there, it is no mind means it is not, it doesn't function as it is. Nothing wrong with the mind, but the mind is absorbed in the Swarupa, it is not available for usual comprehension of the samsara. That's why even if he is hungry, he will not feel it as such, because mind is absorbed elsewhere. So, Shant Bhaya. Kalavan api nishkala. Even though he is a Kalavan here is Sakala Vidyavan, person of great accomplishment from the worldly standpoint. He has got many vidyas at his disposal. Yet he got Nishkalaha. Why Nishkalaha? Free from all those kalas, because except Brahmakara Vritti, there is no room for anything else in the Antara. House full. House full. This for whom no room? All Kalavritti, there is no room at all. Why? Nirantara Brahmakara. At least let us understand first. Jivan Mukta, just loosely using the word. So that is Nishkala, that is Brahmakara Vritti Vatirikta, Vritti itself is not there. So that's why Nishkala. Yaha Sachittaha api Nishchitta. Because Prarabdha is there, body is there, Antakarna is there, and yet Nishchitta means mind is not as it was other. This is what is called as Manonasha. Mind is there, but it is no more in the earlier mentation. So therefore it is only Brahmakara Vritti alone is there. So that Yaha Sachittaha api Nishchittaha Saha Jivan Muktaha Ishyate. He is considered as Jivan Mukta. Continue.
वर्तमाने देहेऽस्मिन् छायावदनुवर्तिनि अहंता ममता भावः जीवन्मुक्तस्य लक्षणम् छायावत् अनुवर्तिनी अस्मिन् वर्तमाने अपि देहे अहंता ममता भावः जीवन्मुक्तस्य
ममता अभावः. Ahanta, mamata, that avagraha you put there. One avagraha you put. Abhava.
Ahanta, mamata, abhava. Jivan muktasya lakshana.
Reading mamata bhava only, but you should understand that there is avagraha should be put. It is abhava. Now, prarabdha is not over. Body still continues to be there. Because body will end only when its prarabdha gets over, not when one gains the knowledge. And therefore, this body continues. How it continues? No more identification. Chayavad anuvartini. Like the shadow. How much identification you have got in your shadow? Parama nirlipta. Anybody? If anyone has got identity in the body, gadbar hoga. You are least concerned because why? You are Parama Jnani. You know what is a Parama Jnani? You know that shadow is not you. As far as shadow is concerned, you are Paramadhyani because you don't know. You know that you need not do Nididhyasana also. So, you You are so thorough that the body, that is shadow is not. So like this, he has got the body, body continues, no more identification, it follows him like the shadow. That is, Chayavad Anuvartini Asmin Vartamane Api Dehe. Even in this present body, future, earlier body there is no question, future body are not going to come there. So in this present body also, what is there? Ahanta mamata yoho abhava. Abhava, absence of ahanta, I-ness, identification. Mamata, mindness, that is Jivan Muktasya Lakshana. Jivan If Jivan Mukta says I know very well, don't spell out. You understand what Jivan Mukti is. Continue.
Atitananusantanam Bhavishyata vicharanam Audatinyamapi prapte Jivan muktasya lakshanam. Advaya Atitananusantanam Bhavishyat avicharanam Prapte api audatinyam Jivan muktasya lakshanam.
Atitasya ananusandhana. Anusandhana is smarana. Ananusandhana is asmarana. So of what? Atitasya, not remembering the past. Atita is past. Atitasya ananusandhana. Bhavishyat avichara, not thinking of the future. What about the present? Prapte api, prapte here, vartamane. In the present, whatever that he is undergoing now, present, whatever he is experiencing, audasinyam, indifference. Just draw the contrast with a samsari. This is exactly what he has done. What is that? Atitasya anusandhanam, bhavishyat vicharanam, vartamane, sakti, total. And the sleep also doesn't come. Baki sab chhod do, sleep also doesn't come. So this is Jivan Muktasya. He is unconcerned in the person. Look, this is not some psychological trait. Mind is so preoccupied in Brahmakara vritti, there is no room for all these etc. There is no room for it. Continuing.
Gunadosha vijishtesmin Svabhavena vilakshane Sarvatra samadarshitvam Jivan muktasya lakshanam. Advaya Gunadosha vishishte Svabhavena vilakshane Asmin jagati sarvatra samadarshitvam Jivan muktasya lakshanam.
गुणदोषविशिष्टे स्वभावेन विलक्षणे अस्मिन् जगति. In this jagat, because so long as body is there, prarabdha is there, at times he has to interact with the jagat. So at that time, what is his vision? What is his attitude? So in this jagat, what type of jagat it is? Guna dosha vishishta. It is characterized by good and bad. Guna means good thing. The dosha, defect, which is full of good and bad. And swabhavena vilakshana. By its very nature, jagat is different from swarupa. How? Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa, unborn, unending. This is Sadi, Santa. Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa is Vikari. This is Avikari. This is full of samsara, sorrow. It is asamsari, nothing but Ananda Swarupa. This is destructible, that is indestructible. So like that, Swabhavena Vilakshane, that which is totally distinct from Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. In that jagat, Sarvatra, everywhere, that also, Sarvatra includes Sarvada also, always. Samadarshitvam. What is Samadarshitvam? Nirdosham hi samam Brahma. Brahmadarshitvam. In and through all things, this is Brahma Swarupa and Brahma Swarupa only. This is Jivan Muktasya Lakshana. This is the feature of a Jivan Mukta. Continuing.
Ishta-nishta-sasampraptau Samadarshitayatmani Ubhayatra-vikaritvam Jivan Muktasya Lakshanam. Advaya as it is, Ishta Anishta Artha Sampraptau Samadarshitaya Atmani Ubhayatra Avikaritvam Jivan Muktasya Lakshanam.
When he confronts with these things, according to Prarabdha, Ishta Anishtartha Samprapta. Artha Vishaya. Ishta. According to the previous norms, according to the norms of the world, this is desirable, Ishta. Anishtartha, this is Anishta, undesirable Vishaya. When it comes to him, Samadarshitaya. Samadarshitaya means with the same vision, without that this is labeling, this is Ishta, this is Anishta. He doesn't do it deliberately, it is spontaneous. There is no evaluation of these Vishayas at all. Idam Ramyam, Idam Aramyam. This is pleasing, this is displeasing, this is desirable, this is undesirable. Such evaluation is not a Vinavai. Mind is so much absorbed in the Ananda Swarupa, there is no such meditation at all. So, Samadarshitaya, Samadarshitaya means Idam Ishtam, Idam Anishtam iti Buddhya Bhava. Such notion being not there, there is Atmani. Where Samadarshitaya? Atmani. Atmani here is Antakarane. In the Antakarana, Ubhayatra avikaritvam. Ubhayatra. Ubhayatra means with respect to both Ishta and Anishta. Avikaritvam. Avikaritvam means Harsha Udvega Rahityam. Absence of rejoicing, absence of Udvega, affliction, sorrow. Ubhayatra, in both Ishta and Anishta. Avikaritvam. Avikaritvam means Harshodvega Shunyatvam. Neither exaltation is there, nor sorrow is there. There is no room for such things. This you should know that you can understand the disposition. What is the frame of his Antakarana? It has just become Brahma Swarupa. And Brahma Swarupa is not lip service, Ananda Swarupa. Wherein he is not aware of all the things. But because of some prarabdha, whatever he is aware of, no more evaluation. So that is Jivan Muktasya Lakshana. Continue. Why it is so is explained.
Brahmanandarasattvada sachittagayayate antarbahiraviඥānam jivan muktasya lakshanam. यते ब्रह्मानन्दरसास्वादासक्तचित्ततया अन्तः बहिः अविज्ञानम् जीवन्मुक्तस्य लक्षणम्.
यतेः चित्तप्रज्ञस्य, in the case of चित्तप्रज्ञा, his chitta is asakta somewhere. Not asakti in the Ishta, Anishta. But where is it asakta? Engrossed. Brahmananda Rasasva. In the direct experience of Brahmananda Swarupa. There the mind is so much engrossed, as a result, Antaha Bahihi Avijnana. Avijnana here is unaware. He is unaware of Antarjnana, Bahirjnana. Antarjnana means whatever that goes on in the mind, Bahirjnana with respect to the external world. See, this is not hypocritical way. Natural for him. Why? Mind is so much absorbed in the Brahman, the Swarupa, it is not aware of what is happening inside, what is happening outside. So therefore, that is what is a Jivan Muktasya Lakshana. Continue.
Dehendriyadau kartavye mahaham bhavavarjitaha audasinena yastishte sajivan mukta lakshanaha. यः देहेन्द्रियादौ कर्तव्ये महाहंभाववर्जितः औदासीन्येन तिष्ठेत् सः जीवन्मुक्तलक्षणः.
The one who is devoid of all this. With respect to kartavya, kartavya here is karmani, whatever that needs to be done. About what? Dehendriyadav. with respect to his deha, to the body, indriya, senses, adav for prana, mana, buddhi, ahankar. With respect to that, whatever that is there that needs to be done in all these, mamaham bhava varjita, free from mama bhava, aham bhava, free from mind, notion of mindness and notion of I-ness. Suppose Jivan Mukta is called, he is aware of the world. He is Aiye, Adhariye, and he observes it. Like an automaton. It just Indriyadav, Mama Aham Bhava Vardita. And Audasinena Yaptishte. So, Audasin means no more identity, no more adhyasa. This is me, body is me, or this is my body. Such adhyasa is not there, and the result different, indifferent, and therefore that person is called as Vibhav. That is the Lakshana feature of a Jivan Mukta. Continue.
Vijnāta ātmano yasya brahma bhava shrute vada bhavabandha vinirmuktaha sajivan mukta lakshanaha. Anvaya यस्य श्रुतेः बलात् आत्मनः ब्रह्मभावः विज्ञातः भवबन्धविनिर्मुक्तः सः जीवन्मुक्तलक्षणः.
Yasya, the one in whose case, Shrutehe Bala, on account of, on the strength of what? Shruti. What Shruti? Tattvamasi Adi Mahavakya. Yes, Shruti, on account of the strength of, or in accordance with the Tattvamasi Adi Mahavakya, says, Shruti Bala Atmanaha Brahma Bhava Atmanaha Brahma Bhava Vijnata. Vijnataha means Sakshatrutaha. Directly, no. Sakshatkara is of what? Atmanaha Brahma Bhava. That Atma is Brahma Sarupa. This has been directly experienced, sakshatkrita. So, vijnataha. And as a result, bhavabandha vinirmukta. The one who is totally free from bondage of samsara, saha jivan mukta, jivan mukta lakshana. That is the feature of a jivan mukta. Continue.
Dehendriyeshvam bhavaha idam bhavastaramyate yasya no bhavatatvapi sajivan mukta ishyate. Dehendriyeshu ahambhava tat anyake क्वापि न उ भवतः सः जीवन्मुक्तः इष्यते.
One in whom these notions are not there. What are those? Dehendriyeshu aham bhavaha na bhavati. There is no I-ness in the deha, indriya, mana, prana, buddhi. Again, anyake idam bhava. Other than the deha, or about all the things that are there in the world, idam bhava is not. This is not right. Everything is nothing but Brahma Swarupa. Idam bhava is not there. Anyake. Anyake means in all the anatmani, other than Atma, say there is no idam bhava. So everything is Brahma. How do you say anya? Because so hitherto the notion that Atma Anatma was there from that standpoint. So because now everything is Brahma Swarupa only. Anyake idam bhavaha yasya nau bhavataha kvapi nowhere idam bhava is there. Aham bhava is not there. Idam bhava also is not there. That is what is the lakshana of the Jivan Mukta. Continuing.
Nagatya brahmanorvedam patapi brahma sargayoho prajnaya yo vijanati sajivan mukta ishyate. यह प्रज्ञया प्रत्यब्रह्मणोः ब्रह्मसर्गयोः भेदं कदापि न विजानाति सः जीवन्मुक्तः.
One who never is aware of such Veda, is Jivan Mukta. Yaha, on account of what? Prajnaya. What is Prajna? Kevala Chinmatra Vritti. Already there, 428 definition. That Vritti, which is nothing but Chit Swarupa only, Nirvikalpa, Nirvikara. So, Shojita Brahmatmanoho Eka Bhavava Gahini. Ya Prajnaya, what is Prajnaya? Chinmatraya Prajnaya. Pratyak Brahmanoho Bhedam. Distinction between Pratyakatma and Paramatma. Brahma Sargayoho Bhedam. Between Brahma and Jagat Bhedam. Kadapi na vijanati. Never knows. Why? Everything is Brahma Swarupa. Mind has become so Brahmakara, there is no room for all such Vedas at all. Saha Jivan Mukta Lakshana or Jivan Muktaha Ishyate. He is accepted as Jivan Mukta. We'll finish one more.
Sadhuvi pujamanesmin pīdyamane vidurjanaihi samabhavo bhavedyasya sajivanmukta ishyate. Anvaya asmin sadhuभिः पूज्यमाने दुर्जनैः पीड्यमाने अपि यस्य समभावः भवेत् सः जीवन्मुक्तः इष्यते।
अस्मिन् here is sharire, when his body sadhubhihi pujyamani is adored, worshipped. Sadhubhihi, those who are dharmic people, those who know the dharma, those who know the shastra. So sadhubhihi pujyamani. Again, durjanaihi pidhyamane api. Torture, afflictions are given by durjanaihi, by wicked people. Either case, says yasya samabhavaha bhavi. There is no rejoicing, there is no sorrow, affliction. Why? From his vision, mind is so absorbed in that mind is unaware of all these things. समभाव यस्य समभावा भवे सः जीवन मुक्तः इष्यते और जीवन मुक्त लक्ष्य।
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम्। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः। पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी। देशोऽयं शोभरहितः। ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः। सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः। सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु। मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय। तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय। मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते। पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ।